Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ulat kajela Usatya Pal Malik. Ula penbam semai u Justice Sanjeev Banerjee kum u Chief Justice Bathamai ke Meghalaya High Court hakas ngi balang Haraj Bhavan. U Justice Banerjee udai u belasha penkenria na ke Madras High Court Dangshen. Bat ula shimti ya kashuki Chief Justice na u Justice Ranjit V. More u balashong thatno hakalai tere unai wieng arhajar arpawe. Kajing syak penkenria kam jong u Justice Banerjee na Madras High Court kala penlong ye kibabun kinong sadan ban persya. Bat kila thoru da kasithi syaka collegium jang ka Supreme Court bahkan perkhat da kumwe. Henry Kamshim Ladon kajing perkhat ka Bathamai. Bat nakaliang u Presiden Kari ula penmi hukum ban penkenria ye u Justice Banerjee Meghalaya. U Justice Banerjee ula shimti ya kashuki Chief Justice hakas ngi balang bat unsyong that nakakam hakashi tarik unai wieng arhajar arpaulai.
Of India, as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favour, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.